Hey, good morning. Hey, you know, a couple people have been calling Steven saying, where the hell's Doug? He ain't in front of the camera. Says, I just want to let you know I ain't dead yet. I'm still around. So I'm going to get in front of the camera this morning. What we happen to have here is one of our 450 horsepower, 347 little Ford EFI engines. This one came out gorgeous, as they all do. Again, we always give our customers a choice of paint color. If they need different style oil pans or pulley kits on them, carbureted fuel injection. This gentleman chose to do a blue block, front sump oil pan, a nice full boat system, electronic distributor, fuel injected on top with our Holley system, Sniper. Got nice Ford Racing valve covers on there. And again, exceeded our horsepower expectation. Again, all of our engines are tested, tuned, and ready to go. We do build long blocks also. So again, if you're looking for a long block and you want to finish it up yourself, give us a call. We'll be happy to accommodate that for you also. Peace.